Hello again. Welcome back to our new social study session. Today is 15th of December 2020, where this is Tuesday. We will continue talking about the Earth and the structure of the Earth. Um, Last time we spoke about the Yes, we were speaking about the on and above the Earth, and you said that we have four atmospheres. We have four spheres. We have the first one is the atmosphere that it contains gases that surrounded the Earth, which is represented in the form of air. And let me use my laser. And we have the lithosphere that represented the solid Earth. The hydrosphere represents the water found on or under and over the surface of the Earth. Now, those three spheres together represent for us the life on Earth, of course. If any one of those had disappeared, so the circle of the life would not complete. So the three of them is called the biosphere, which means all life on Earth. So it looks like that. This is the biosphere. It contains the lithosphere represented in Earth, the hydrosphere represented in water, and the atmosphere represented in air. And the last thing, we spoke about the continent, which is a huge land masses above water. And you mentioned the names of the seven continents. Today we're going to study a theory that had been said years ago, that the continents were, before reaching this current view, they were all of them one supercontinent. Yes, we call this theory we call it the continental drift. The word drift means to change the direction, it changed the position. The one who assumed or had or made this theory, his name was Alfred Wegener. In 1912, he was from Germany. And in his theory, which named the continental drift, he claimed that the Earth was once a supercontinent that had been divided and slowly drifted apart over millions of years. He said that this supercontinent name was Pangaea, and Pangaea means in Latin all Earth. And there was only one ocean surrounding this supercontinent. Their name was Pantalissa. This supercontinent has split into many plates, and the plates has drifted and crashed into each other more than a time, and this caused them to split apart several times before they became the current continent that we know. So the continents continue, and for your information, the continents continue to drift even today. Those kind of information, by the way, are very important, and you have to write them. This is a brief for what have been mentioned in your book. So if you look here, you will find that's what the supercontinent 200 million years ago. This supercontinent was named the Pangaea, as I told you, and there was only one ocean surrounded it called the Pantalissa. Then 65 million years, this is after 1 million and a half almost, this supercontinent started to, if you can see that, it started to split apart and began moving in different directions, which means that they were drifting. Noted here that India, this was India, it has separated from the Antarctica and the Australia. And noted also that India broke away, as I told you, India has broken away and just started to going back towards Asia. Now today, this is how the map looked like, how the seven continents look like. And for your information, that I told you that the drifting is still happening so far. That was for the structure of the Earth. That was for the structure of the earth. Let's go to a new lesson, which is the bodies of water.